Welcome to our channel. Today we are diving into the exciting world of electric mobility with a full look at the brand new 2025 Leapmotor T03 EV mini car that's taking urban commuting to the next level. If you're in the market for a compact, stylish, and eco-friendly ride, stick around because the Leapmotor T03 might just be what you're looking for. The Leapmotor T03 is a small electric car that packs a big punch in terms of technology, design, and performance. It's designed specifically for city dwellers who need something nimble and efficient without sacrificing modern comforts or safety features. The 2025 model builds upon its predecessors with refined looks, improved range, and more intelligent features. From the outside, the T03 sports a sleek and contemporary design, with smooth curves and a youthful look. It's compact enough to zip through tight traffic and squeeze into tight parking spots, yet it doesn't feel cramped. The front end features a distinctive closed grille typical of EVs, framed by sharp LED headlights that not only look great but also offer excellent visibility. The rear is equally clean and modern, with a subtle roof spoiler and wraparound tail lights that add to its futuristic appeal. Under the hood, or more accurately, under the floor, the T03 is powered by an efficient electric motor that delivers around 55 kilowatts, or roughly 75 horsepower. It's not a sports car, but it offers quick and responsive acceleration, ideal for urban driving. The top speed is around 100 to 120 km per hour, making it perfectly suitable for city roads and short highway trips. One of the key highlights of the 2025 Leapmotor T03 is its improved battery range. The new model is equipped with a 41.3 kWh lithium battery that offers an impressive driving range of up to 403 km under the CLTC standard. That means most people will only need to charge it once or twice a week, depending on usage. Charging is also convenient. It supports both slow AC and fast DC charging, so you can recharge up to 80% in under an hour using a fast charger. The T03 is also packed with smart features. It comes equipped with an advanced driver assistance system that includes adaptive cruise control, automatic emergency braking, lane departure warning, and even self-parking in some variants. Leapmotor has really leaned into the smart tech aspect, making this EV not just practical but also fun to drive. In terms of comfort and tech, the 2025 T03 features a fully digital dashboard and a large touchscreen infotainment system compatible with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. There's also voice control, keyless entry, and a mobile app that lets you monitor the car remotely, check battery status, set charging times, even pre-cool the cabin before you hop in. Despite its compact size, the Leapmotor T03 is surprisingly roomy inside. It seats 4 adults comfortably and offers decent trunk space for daily errands or small weekend getaways. The seats are ergonomically designed and there's plenty of headroom, even for taller passengers. In conclusion, the 2025 Leapmotor T03 is a fantastic option for anyone looking for a smart, stylish, and efficient EV for city life. It offers a great combination of range, technology, and affordability. Whether you're a student, a daily commuter, or someone looking to make the switch to electric for the first time, the T03 is definitely worth a test drive. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more reviews and updates on the latest EVs hitting the road.